Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how to make police clearance certificate in Saudi Arabia using our Absher account. Okay, it's we can make it. We need a bank account and a debit card or credit card to make this certificate. This certificate charges 50 Saudi Riyal plus what? So 57.5 Riyal they will deduct from our account. Okay friends, here I will show you. Just to open our Absher account using account number and Absher password. Okay, you can use it if you have computer, you can make it through computer, or if you have mobile, you can using mobile desktop version, Google Chrome in desktop version also you can make it. Okay friends, even mobile also you can make it. Okay, now we will receive the OTP. I received the OTP. Okay friends, this is our Absher account. Okay, this is the home page. We have to click electronic service first. After that, this is our home page. Here the down, see other services, there is many other services option is there. Here we have to click Absher reports. Okay, there is many services there, we have to select Absher reports. Okay, here this is a, we there is three there is three steps we have to start. First, request a report. Okay, see these all report we can make it through Absher. Okay, some reports we can easily make it without cost, free of cost. Okay, some report we have to pay the money. This is the charge also, it's available. Okay, here we have to select criminal records reports. Okay friends, the price amount is 50 Saudi Riyal. After that we have to pay 7.5 Riyal for what? So total 57.5 Riyal they will deduct from our account. Okay friends, criminal record report. After that we have to select the language, Arabic or English. So make it English, Arabic, no problem. Okay, after that click next. Here we have to verify our details, everything. Then okay, everything okay. Then we have entity type, internal purpose or external purpose. For we are going to, for internal purpose there is option for issue permit or issue license, study purpose, which purpose you are going to use this certificate we have to select. Okay, external purpose, there is which country you are going to going, or which country you are going to use. Then which purpose? Okay, you have to select the country and the purpose. Now I am going to use the certificate for issue driving license. So internal entity, because only Saudi Arabia we are going to use, so internal entity. Then we have to select issue license. Okay friends, after that click next. See, your request under processing now, please check previous request and tracking the request. Okay, so it will take minimum 5 minutes to they will verify our request, we have any criminal record or not. Okay, after that they will accept or reject. Okay, then we have to come back. Okay, after 5 minutes. Okay friends, after that we have to check view previous request. We already make request, so we have to select the second one. See, now our request has been approved, so now we can issue the certificate using issue option. Okay friends, now we don't they accepted, government accepted. Okay, you don't have any criminal record, you can easily make it online. We have to pay the money. Okay, issue, you have to click the issue certificate, issue option. After that, here this is the payment 57.5 Riyal. With what we have to click next. Using, we must have credit card or debit card, bank account. Okay, so to make this transaction, online transaction, here now I am going to enter card number. If you don't have a ATM card, you can use your friend ATM card or credit card, no problem. Okay, now I am entering the card details to pay the money. Okay, card number, expiry date and CVV. The back side there is 3-digit number. Then card holder name. After entering all detail, we have to click pay now. Click pay now. Now we will receive the OTP to finish the transaction. Now I received the OTP. Now I am entering. After that, click submit. Once you click submit, they will deduct money from your account. Then see the report. Absher instant report has been issued successfully. Okay, friends. There is reference number also. Now our certificate is ready. This certificate is valid only for 30 days only. Okay. So you have to use it only 30 days only. After that, it will expire. You have to make it again. Okay, friends. If expired, you have to make it again. So before expire, you have to use, for which purpose you are going to use, you have to use this certificate. Click view certificate, so you can see your police no criminal clearance certificate. Okay, criminal clearance certificate. Okay, friends, this is our criminal clearance certificate. You can use it. Here there is a issue date, expiry date available, all detail. Okay, friends, if you have any doubt, ask me in comment section. I will reply you. Please support and subscribe my channel. Please share to your friends. I have posted many videos regarding Absher and Mukim and traffic fines, traffic violation, and many videos in my channel. Please check it. Thank you so much. Please support and subscribe my channel. Thank you.